Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula, so we can apply it about the product rule of derivative. So if we have y equals to ab, so if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. And the second one, that is about the square root. So if we have y equals to the square root of a, if we do first derivative of this one, we have 2 with the square root of a, and later that we continue do first derivative of a. Now we can apply the formula in here. So we have first derivative of y, so we do first derivative of s multiplied by this one. Later that we do first derivative of the square root multiplied by s. So first derivative of s, you got about number 1. First derivative of this one, we have the square root, so we have 1 over number 2 with the square root of a plus bx. Later that we do first derivative of a plus bx. This one you got about number 1, so we simplify. First derivative of s, you got about number 1, so we have 1 with b, so we have b. This is about the constant, so you got about 0, so we just have only b. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.